Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's Trey the DIY Ninja, and today we are going to be customizing our very first keycap for a mechanical keyboard. If you haven't seen in my previous video, I did get a mechanical keyboard and bought some chrome keys for that one. I'll put the link up here if you haven't seen it. And in my other keyboard video, I did get a custom colorway, and I'll put the link up here for that if you haven't seen that either. Today we're going to be trying to do a very simple, easy modification. At least it seems simple in my head. I haven't actually tried it yet, but we're going to be chroming out our own keycaps. So in my first keyboard video, I bought chrome keycaps and they were pretty expensive. Like they were about $15 for 12 keys, but I mean they were really good quality. They did have see-through legends, so that was pretty cool. But what if you don't want to spend that much money on keycaps? Here is a potential solution. So for this tutorial, you're going to need a keycap. This is the original keycap that came with my RK71 Royal KLUDGE keyboard, mechanical keyboard. It's available on Amazon. I'll put the link down in the description below. But you're going to just pick any keycap you want to customize. This one is my old keycap. And you're going to need a air cushion chrome pen that is also available on Amazon, or you can also just use a regular chrome powder pot with the applicator, eyeshadow applicator. Those are a little bit more affordable. You can get them for about $1 to $3 on Amazon or AliExpress, but this is just more convenient and less messy. You're also going to need a UV or LED lamp to cure the chrome in place. So I'm going to be using all nail polish products in this video. So if you already have them, you don't have to spend any extra money. But if you don't, I will put the links down below for everything I use in this video. Okay, so before we begin, I forgot to mention that I have my keycap on a press-on nail stand. And it's basically just the stand here. I have an example for you with mounting putty on top, and then I just press the keycap on top. The mounting putty does not go into the stem, which is good, and this just helps, you know, get all angles and things without me dirtying my hands or getting messy. So I'm gonna try using a matte top coat and see if the chrome pen works with it. I'm gonna be using this Beetles Top It Off matte top coat. So let's apply this on, and then I'll cure it in the lamp, and we'll be right back. Okay, so now that I have it topped off with a matte top coat, I'm gonna put it into the UV lamp to cure for 2 minutes, and then we'll get to the chrome. Okay, this is what it looks like after it comes out of the UV lamp. Let's try to put on some chrome pigment and see if it sticks. So this is an air cushion pen. The chrome is on the inside, you can see, and there's a little cushion here. And when you close the pen, it rubs onto the pigment. So if you want to refill it, you just kind of twist the cap, and there we go. Then you just take this pen and hopefully it sticks. Ah, there we go. You just rub it on. Ooh, do you see that chrome pigment? I think it's working. I'm gonna take it off the stand because it's not very stable on the stand, so I'll just chrome it by holding it here. And this is the color C06. This is probably like the richest gold color out of the set that it came with. I bought a set of these chrome pens. I believe it was like 5 of them, or maybe even actually 6 of them, for about $12 or something like that. I forget the exact price. I bought it a while ago, but I will put the link in the description box down below. So I'm just gonna try to rub on as much chrome as I can. Hopefully this is focused. It's kind of bright today, but yeah, it's just do this. Looks like I'm running out of chrome, so I'm just going to dip my pen, chrome cushion pen, back in and twist around a bit and refill the cushion. Okay, I'm gonna try to get a very even layer here. And you can use any color chrome you want. It doesn't have to be gold or silver. They have like mermaid chrome, blue, red. They have chrome in all different colors. It looks like I have uneven top coat on this side because it's not sticking. So I can just go back over it with a top coat on the edges. Okay. This looks like it's going to need 2 coats of chrome because the black is still shining through to me. So yeah, I missed a spot there. Okay, this time I'm going to use shiny top coat and see if that works better, because usually I think it works better than this. Okay, so this is what it looks like after 1 coat of matte top coat with chrome on top, and it is uneven. So I'm going to use the shiny top coat. I think that might work better. And let's put this on. Okay, I'm gonna try to make it as even as possible, especially getting this edge here, since I seem to have missed this edge in the first round. And you can do as many coats as you feel you need, because I believe the polish is so thin it shouldn't affect the thickness of the cap if you do it in thin layers. But yeah, I'm gonna just smooth it out. Okay, let's try to chrome this again. Okay. So I'm gonna zoom in so I can see. Oh, I should take it off this stand because it's not very stable. Oh yeah, that coverage is way better. Okay, so use a glossy no wipe top coat. I forgot to mention that earlier. It has to be no wipe for the chrome to work. It's way better. Okay, just kind of burnish in the chrome. Okay, so this is what it looks like after I added the second layer of chrome. It's a lot more uniform, a lot more even, though you can see that the way you apply the top coat will affect the finish of your keycap. So I'm just going to try to even it out with a shiny top coat and see if that kind of levels out the surfaces, and then see what that looks like. And if I don't like the shiny look, I can always top it off again with a matte top coat. This is what it looks like after clearing with a glossy top coat. I think I like it like this. It's actually not too shiny, but I do see that The polish application was pretty sloppy. But you know, if you do it, you'll be a lot more careful, a lot more neat. For me, it doesn't really matter too much because from far away, you can't really tell. Let's see what this looks like on an actual keyboard, shall we? Okay, so I have my mechanical keyboard here. Let's install the key. Hopefully this is the right way. I always get confused. Oh, I can see some imperfections here really close up, but you can always fix that later. Let's see. Which side is the higher side? This side, I think. Okay. Let's put it on here. Oops. There we go. Pretty cool. So if you did want to make some chrome keys for your keyboard just to spice it up and customize it a bit, you totally can. These are the keys that I bought. Of course, they're definitely a lot cleaner, more even, and they have the legend on them. Here you can probably make a sticker and stick it on and then clear coat it with top gloss again a couple times just to seal in the legend. But not bad. I mean, it doesn't go with the colorway on my board at the moment, but it's definitely an option for customizing keycaps. Okay, so you can totally just leave it chromed like this. Like I said, you can see a lot of imperfections close up, but from far away you really can't tell. But I figured let's just kick it up a notch and add some custom stickers. So I have this custom ninja sticker printed out from my Epson ET2760. That's what it is, 2760? I don't remember, but I'll put the link down below. I'm printed this out on Online Labels matte white sticker sheet paper. So this is just a regular homemade sticker, and I cut it out with my brother Scan and Cut SDX 125. And you can see like here on the little tie, it didn't cut perfectly. So I'm going to actually cut that off. But first I want to just position it on to the tab, the keycap I mean, and try to center it. So when you're doing this, make sure you have your keycap. If it's like a sticker that needs orientation, make sure you have your keycap. Don't mind that squeakiness, it's my son. He likes to sit on the squeakiest chair. Facing the right way. So from what I've learned is the higher side here is supposed to be facing you, and the lower side here is supposed to be facing away. This side is higher, right? Let's see, yeah, this side's higher. So when I have this positioned the way I want it, I'm just going to cut off the little tab section. So I could technically just leave it because it'll be on the side. It won't really be noticeable, but we'll see, we'll see. Okay, here is what the keycap looks like so far after I cut off the tab. And then I'm just going to top this off with a shiny no wipe top coat and cure it into the lamp, and then we'll be right back to show the final results on the keyboard. Okay guys.
Hey guys.
Okay guys, here is the finished results. A little custom Ninja Chrome escape key. If you want to make it last super long, you probably want to sand the keycap first and then put a base coat on and then do the steps that I showed you. But you know, I'm lazy, I was just testing it out, so no biggie. And here is the whole keyboard with the custom novelty key on here. Cool. Alright, thanks for joining me. Make sure you subscribe, thumbs up this video, ring the notification bell, leave a comment down below, let me know what you think about this customization method, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!